morning students. Already we have seen the one words of this lesson. Today we are going to learn the question answers. The lesson was evolution of humankind. So the first question, what changes took place in the teeth and brain of early humans during the course of evolution? So what are the changes took place in teeth and the brain of early humans during the time of evolutions? So let's see what are the changes that takes place. The jaws and teeth of early humans become smaller. The jaws and the teeth of early humans became smaller and their brains developed and enlarged. What happened? The jaws and the teeth of the early human become smaller and their brains developed and enlarged. Okay, so these two changes were takes place during the course of evolution, during the time of evolutions. So this is the first question. Second one, name few sources of evidence of human evolutions. So what are the few evidence of the human evolutions? So what are the evidences? Utensils, paintings, fossils, stone tools are the few sources of evidence of human evolutions. So what are the evidences? Once again, utensils, paintings, fossils, stone tools, etc. So what is fossil? The remaining things that got buried and it is stored under the deep soil on the earth, So that are called fossils. Okay, so next one, how did standing and walking erect on 2 feet help the early mans? So how did standing and walking erect, means standing straight on 2 feet, help the early humans? When early humans began to stand and walk erect on 2 feet, they were able to see things from a distance. So so what happened? They learned to stand and walk and also stand on the 2 feet. What happened? They were able to see things from a distance. Then what happened? This helps them to save themselves from these animals as they learn to run fast too. So this also helped them to save themselves from the animals because as they learn to run fast also. So this is the second question. The third question. Now fourth one, how did the evolution of our ancestors' brain help him? So how brain help our ancestor? So as brain developed and enlarged, our ancestors were able to think and invent tools and other objects that were useful to them. So what happened? The brain developed and enlarged. Our ancestors were able to think and invent. So think and invent tools and other objects that were useful to them. The fifth one, which organism became extinct during the course of evolution? So which organism become extinct? Extinct na alinju perum during the course of evolution. Enda organism alinju povum. Organism that are unable to adapt to the surrounding. Endanda organism na natural surrounding la adapt ஆக முடியலையோ அந்த சின்ன உயிரினங்கள்லாம் என்ன ஆகும்? Their species become dead and their species become extinct. Okay, organism that are unable to adapt to the surroundings died and their species become extinct. So next, answer in detail. The first one, describe the stages in which life appeared on earth. So we are going to learn the stages in which the life appears on earth. First point, the earth was a burning ball of fire. As you know, the earth was a burning ball of fire which eventually cooled down and life started originating on it. So earth was a burning ball of fire which eventually cools down easily, so life existed originating on it. Okay, second one, initially simple tiny organism began to develop. Then what happened? Simple tiny organism means சின்ன உயிரினங்கள் develop into the seas. So first the tiny organism began to develop into the seas, followed by the complex organism, such as fish and eventually plants also appeared on earth. So these are the stages in which life appears on the earth. First, as you know, the earth was a burning ball of fire which eventually cools down and quickly, and life started originating on it. Initially simple tiny organism began to develop into the seas, followed by the complex organism such as fish, and also plants appear on the earth. So these are the stages in which life appears on the earth. So first what happened? It is the place where earth is a place where we can live and we can do our vegetations and all. Second, then tiny organism began to develop, then complex organism began to develop, then eventually plants also appear on the earth. So these are the stages in which life appears on the earth. So see the second question, describe the changes that took place in the physical characteristics of a human over time. So நம்ம physical characteristics, நம்மளோட body parts la enna changes vanduchu abingadha we have to write it in a detailed form. So see, over a period of time the bodies of human ancestors changed. Some of the major changes are as follows. So over a period of time the bodies of human ancestors changed. Some of the major changes are as follows. Let's see what are the changes. First point, their jaws and teeth become smaller. So what happened? Their jaws and teeth become smaller. First point. Second changes, they began walking erect on 2 feet. So they began to learn walking erect. Erect means they were able to stand straight on 2 feet. The third point, they began to hold objects and work with their hands. So what happened to the third stages? They began to hold objects and work with their hands. They started working with their hands. The fourth point, their brain developed and become larger. What happened? Their brain also developed and it become larger, enlarged also. Then the shape of their legs, feet, hands and other body parts also changed. So these are the changes that took place in the physical characteristics of humans over time. So once again, over a period of time the bodies of human ancestors changed. So some of the major changes are as follows. So what are the major changes? Their jaws and teeth become smaller. They began walking erect on 2 feet. They began to hold objects and work with their hands. Their brains developed and become larger. The shape of their legs, feet, hands and other body parts changed too. So these are the two questions. The first question, describe the stages in which life appears on the earth. So what are the stages? As earth was a burning ball of fire and it cools down easily, so life originated on it. Then develops tiny organism began to develop in the seas, followed by complex organism like fish, and then the amphibians, mammals, all that also exist, and eventually plants also appeared on the earth. Second one, what are the changes in the physical characteristics of human over time? So what are the changes? Major changes are as follows. The jaws and teeth become smaller. They began walking erect on 2 feet. And then they were able to hold objects and work with their hands. The brains develop and become larger. The shape of their legs, feet, hands and other body parts changed too. So learn these two details. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Today assignment, home assignment. Home assignment for today. Learn and write the question answer in lesson Evolution of Human Mankind. humankind. So just take it as home assignment. You just go through the question answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.